ready to turn your stunning photos into a passive income stream. Today, we're diving into Clickasnap, the platform that pays you every time someone views your photos, and I'm going to show you exactly how to upload and optimize your images for maximum earnings. First, head over to Clickasnap and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the clearly marked upload button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click it. A window will pop up prompting you to select the photo you want to upload from your computer. Choose your best shot, the one you think will grab viewers' attention. Now, for the crucial part, optimizing your upload. You'll see fields for the photo title, a detailed description, and relevant tags. A catchy title and compelling description will encourage more views. And those tags, think of them as keywords. Use tags that accurately describe your photo's subject, style, and location. The more specific, the better. Be sure to select the proper copyright permissions to maintain ownership of your work. Finally, double-check all your details, then hit that submit button. Clickasnap will process your image, and within moments, it'll be live on the platform, ready to earn you money with every view. And that's it. Now you can start uploading your photos on Clickasnap and begin earning passively. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your photography.